Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about large numbers and how to make them easier to understand and write. To make big numbers easier to write, we put them in groups of 3 digits starting from the right. For example, the number 3614 can be written as 3614. Let's dive in and learn more about these large numbers. For numbers from 100 to 999, when we write these numbers, we use the format number plus 100 and number. For example, 354 is written as 354 and 7 to 3 is written as 723. This helps us read and understand the numbers better. Numbers from 1000 up. For these numbers, we use the format number plus 1000 plus number plus 100 and number. For example, 1283 is written as 1283. Here's another example. The number 21734 is written as 21734. Let's look at one more example. The number 654411 is written as 654,411. Millions. When we talk about even larger numbers, like millions, we use a similar format, number plus million plus thousand plus number plus 100, and number. For example, 2541,654 is written as 2,541,654. Let's look at successor and predecessor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. 431 comes just after 430. So, 431 is the successor of 430. We can obtain the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Successor of 174 is 174 plus 1 is equal to 175. Moving on, the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. 3423 comes just before 3424. So, 3423 is the predecessor of 3424. We can obtain the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Predecessor of 3423 is 3423 minus 1 is equal to 3422. How to compare large numbers? Now, let's learn how to compare large numbers. There are 2 rules. 1. If the numbers have an unequal number of digits, the number with more digits is greater. 2. If the numbers have an equal number of digits, start from the left and compare the digits until they differ. Which is greater? Let's practice by comparing two numbers. 89310009 and 11007364. When we line up the numbers by their place values, we see that 11007364 has 9 digits and 89310009 has 8 digits. Since 9 is greater than 8, 11007364 is a greater number. Now, let's compare two more numbers. 89310009 and 11007364. We line up the numbers by place values and compare the digits from the leftmost place until they differ. We can see that the digits differ at the 10,000 place, with 5 being greater than 4. Therefore, 83157610 is greater than 8314605. Now, let's see how to write largest and smallest numbers using given digits. To write the largest number, we write the digits in descending order. To write the smallest number, we write the digits in ascending order if we don't have 0 as one of the digits. If 0 is one of the digits, then we exchange it with the next higher digit. Let's understand this with an example. Make the largest and the smallest number of 8 digits using each of the digits 4, 5, 1, 7, 6, 3, 8, and 9 exactly ones. We have the digits 4, 5, 1, 7, 6, 3, 8, and 9. First, we will write the largest number. Let us arrange them in descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. The required largest number is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Now, let us write the smallest number. Let us arrange the digits in ascending order. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The required smallest number is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's look at rounding of numbers. Many times, we don't have or we don't require the exact number. To get a rough idea of the number, we round off the number. This rounding off the numbers may be to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, etc. as required. Let's look at these clearly. Rounding to the nearest tens. Rule 1. If the digit in the units place is 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we make the units place 0. Rule 2. If the digit in the units place is 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, that is more than or equal to 5, then we make the units place 0 and add 10 to the number. Example. Round of 1 4 2 8 9 7 4 and 2 5. 8 4 1 6 6 to nearest tens. Units digit of 1 4 2 8 9 7. 4 is 4. Clearly, rule 1 is applicable. To round the number to the nearest 10, we replace 4 by 0. Hence, 1 4 2 8 9 7 4 rounded to the nearest tens is 1 4 2 8 9 7 0. For second case, units digit of 2 5 8. 4 1 6 6 is 6. Clearly, rule 2 is applicable. To round the number to the nearest tens, we replace 6 by 0 and add 10 to the number. 2584160 plus 10 is equal to 2584170. Rounding to the nearest hundreds. Rule 1. If the digit in the tens place is 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we make the tens and the units place both as 0. Rule 2. If the digit in the tens place is 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, that is more than or equal to 5, then we make tens place and units place both as zeros and add 100 to the number. Example. Round 372677. 1 2 to the nearest hundreds. Digit in tens place of 3726. 7712 is 1. Clearly, rule 1 is applicable. To round the number, we replace units and tens places both by zeros. Hence, 372677. 1 2 rounded to the nearest hundreds is 3. 7267700. Rounding to the nearest thousands. Rule 1. If the digit in the hundreds place is 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we make the hundreds, tens and units place all zeros. Rule 2. If the digit in the hundreds place is 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, that is more than or equal to 5, then we make hundreds, tens and units places zeros and add 1000 to the number. Example. Round 382679. 9 3 to the nearest thousands. Digit in hundreds place of 3826. 7993 is 9. Clearly, rule 2 is applicable. To round the number, we replace the digits in hundreds, tens and units places by zeros and add 1000 to the number. Hence, 382670. 00 plus 1000 is equal to 3. 8268000. Rounding to the nearest 10,000s. Rule 1. If the digit in the thousands place is 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we make thousands, hundreds, tens and units places all zeros. Rule 2. If the digit in the thousands place is 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, that is more than or equal to 5, then we make the thousands, hundreds, tens and units places as zeros and add 10,000 to the number. Example. Round 4623. 55127 to the nearest 10,000s. Digit in thousands place of 462. 355127 is 5. Clearly, Rule 2 is applicable. To round the number, we replace the digits in thousands, hundreds, tens and units places by zeros and add 10,000 to the number. Hence, 462350. 000 plus 1000. 0 is equal to 462360. 000. Rounding to the nearest lakhs. Rule 1. If the digit in the 10,000s place is 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we make 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units places all zeros. Rule 2. If the digit in the 10,000s place is 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9 that is more than or equal to 5, then we make the 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units places as zeros and add 100000 to the number. Example, round 12355. 127 to the nearest lakhs. Digit in 10,000s place of 123. 55127 is 5. Clearly, Rule 2 is applicable. To round the number, we replace the digits in 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units places by zeros and add 100000 to the number. Hence, 123000. 00 plus 100000 is equal to 12400000. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.